Hi guys. So as we had discussed, as we had yesterday posted that we'll be going live today with Rini's and Krishna's boutique. So we'll talk with them regarding mold making, and you guys can post your questions here. So we will take the questions and we'll try to answer as many as possible. So I will take in Rini's now. Let me add her. Hi. Okay, I think she's not live here right now. So once Rini she joins us live, I will take her with me on live and we can discuss about mold making. Meanwhile, you guys can share your questions here. I'll try to reply you as many as possible. Hello Prerna. Hi Rashmi. Hi. Nook and Shells. Hi. Send request to Reni's. Let's see. Hope she'll join. Waiting for her reply here.
Hi.
Hi Priya. So guys, this is Priya.
Hi.
So her brand is Reni's. You guys can start asking your questions. What you would like to know about mold making from her. Okay, she's been doing resin from long time. Priya, tell about you. It's been how long you've been doing resin work?
I'm doing it since 2.5 years. So,
Okay, so what all do you do?
my basic thing is to cover kids actually. So anything related kids, I love to do that. Great
Okay,
inspiration from my daughter. So
okay.
whatever
So you
comes,
make.
there my inspiration starts.
Okay, so you make a lot of kids related charms and pendants and earrings.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So,
So I think
and I
you
think,
are even specialized in puffy heart. I think you are the one who started with the puffy hearts in India.
yes. Oh, is it?
Yeah,
I
I
didn't
think
know
it's
that.
been 2 years now, right? 2 years back
Yeah.
you started your puffy hearts.
Yes. Yes. But
Yeah,
I
so
didn't
you
know
do a
that.
lot of customization. You do a lot of
Yes.
customization in it.
Yes.
Yeah.
I
So
love to
now
do
tell
actually.
us
Like anything
how
small.
you moved from resin to now mold making. How's this journey been?
Actually, I seriously don't know. I don't want to give this mold try and all. But that unicorn, like that was my great inspiration. Like I want to do that. And Buddha, I love Buddha. So I thought,
Okay.
like, why not I make my own Buddha, like in my various styles. So from there it started, and I thought, like, okay, people slowly started, and Dharni from Krishna Protic. We
Krishna's
both.
boutique, yes.
Yeah, we both discussed a lot about this, and we really wanted to do something to inspire more peoples. Like
Okay.
we actually see more foreign crafters, right? Like we get envied by seeing them. You, where do we get
Yeah.
mold and all? So we kept that in mind.
Mm.
But like, why not for Indian crafters too? So we did more performance for this and more trials and errors. And later we decided to do this.
So how many designs have you launched now?
Mainly with Madras Bazaar help. So it's not
Yeah.
possible without you, definitely.
Thank you, thank you. So how many molds have you launched now, Priya?
5.
Five. Can you share your designs over here so everyone can see your designs, and if anyone is interested, they can actually inbox you
Yeah,
for the
actually, I
order.
have posted in my page also. I'll show it now also. Like
Yeah.
I can give you the detail, like size, everything has been mentioned in my post, so they can have a look at
Okay.
it.
Okay.
So I
So it's unicorn related. Okay.
yes. So let's start with Hello Kitty here.
Okay,
So
it's
this is
so
5
pretty and it has a lot
centimeter.
of detailing in it.
Yeah, so it comes like this actually.
Okay, this is the
So it's
finished
totally
piece of it.
engraved. Yeah. So it's totally
Okay,
engraved and you can make your own designs using the pigments, glitters, everything. So this is
okay.
the one and comes my favorite.
The Buddha, I think this has been like everyone has been asking for this Buddha mold. I think from yesterday I've been seeing, queries
Yes.
regarding this. Even I've been getting queries regarding this Buddha mold.
Oh, that's great.
So
No,
guys
since when
who
I
all are
made,
interested in, yeah, who all are interested in this Buddha mold, you guys can actually inbox her. She is selling this mold. She's just launched this mold last night. So you guys can message her.
and this
Her
is 7 centimeter, Manisha.
okay, so almost 3 inch.
Yeah. And all
Nice,
other
nice,
stuff are
nice.
5 centimeter. Like it's very good for bath charms, like keychains, fridge magnet. So this is a common size, so
Ah,
it can be used for everything.
okay,
So,
nice. So
so
this is
this
your
is
first
the
collection now. When are you planning for your second collection?
second one will be soon actually. Maybe in a week also. I might launch two
Nice.
more mold.
So what is that
So
going to be? What is the theme of it?
let that be a surprise.
Okay.
Maybe
So you want to create a surprise hype, so people keep
yeah,
waiting,
that's
okay, what you're
yeah, we are
launching.
always excited about surprises, right? What it's gonna
Yeah,
be like.
that's true.
We are always into that.
That's true.
So I always like surprises and I like giving surprises to people. So let it be a surprise.
So what does the mold range comes into? What is the range?
Uh, this, this range starts from 200 rupees and I'm giving an offer price today and tomorrow. Like
Nice.
for
Okay.
yeah, for who books today and tomorrow they're getting an offer price. So the starting
Okay.
price will be 180 for today and tomorrow.
Okay. Guys, don't miss this offer. So people who all are unicorn fans and who were asking me about Buddha mold, you can inbox her. She's giving 2 days offer price. So inbox
Yeah.
her for the molds. So, and we'll be looking further for your new creations, your new launch.
Sure, sure, Manisha. Until you give us more silicon, we can launch more.
Sure, sure. Yeah, you have a lot of silicon. You guys can always order.
And
I'm
future we are
happy that, like I got something where, a lot of people can make their own molds. They don't have to keep waiting, for the molds to be available in market. They can make their own molds now.
yes, yes. So we
Yeah.
are actually into more trials actually. So
Okay.
let's see how
But
it works. So
if this is trial, I will say this is actually very good trial. You have made very good perfection mold, okay? It's very perfect.
yeah,
So
actually
the
like
pieces
because
also is, yeah,
we
the
just
pieces
know
you have
how
made,
hard
the
it
resin
is
pieces
to
are
make.
very good.
Thank you so much, Manisha. The detailing is actually very good. So I just wanted to show them the finished piece so they can have an idea how it looks.
Any
So that's the
any
reason.
problem you faced with this silicon?
No, silicon, we didn't have any problem actually. Like the more convenient thing was it sets in 25 to 30 minutes. So that made us
Okay,
more easier to work with. So we are
so you can
enjoying
make
to
more molds.
actually we are playing with silicon more than pouring.
Okay,
We are playing with silicon. Like it's more fun actually.
okay,
So
okay. So it is bubble free and it is odorless.
yes,
And added
made
advantage, it
mainly it
is
is
food
orderless.
grade.
It is orderless. So I'm just loving it because like I have this migraine problem and it's really awesome to
Okay,
work. So
so no
we need not.
smell. So it's yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So
So
you are
thank you for
having fun with silicon.
supporting us, Silicon. Thank you for that.
Oh, anytime, anytime. Let's okay. So, guys, you want to ask anything to Priya Rinis regarding her molds? You can shoot your questions. I'll take some 5 questions regarding this mold making for Priya. Then I will add Dharni from Krishna's boutique. So I think I had some 2, 3 questions yesterday. Okay, so matte or glossy outcome depends upon silicon or the surface from which we are making mold.
It's
This
definitely from
question
the surface. It's definitely from the
surface.
surface. So yes.
Okay.
So silicone doesn't matter. Like whatever we pour on that, like it should be a matte or glossy finish. So the surface
Okay.
should be what we want. So if it's going to be
So no,
glossy, then it's going to be glossy. See, like this, it's glossy finish.
so correct. So nooks and shells. So the piece what you're going to mold, whatever finish it has, that is what is going to come in your mold. So if you're going to use a wood, you will get a wood grain surface finish. So there is another question from Resins Shrometya. I think I'm pronouncing her name correct. So her question is, have you tried making two-part molds?
What does that mean?
What is two-part molds? I
I
didn't
don't
understand her question.
know.
So how to begin with? Monica is asking how to begin with.
How to begin with? You might have, I don't know, you have seen my video. Like I have begin with the small charms which I had. So with that, I have started doing this. Before that, we worked a lot, like how to bring so many designs and everything. So I used to search for my daughter's hair clips, the
So
bracelet.
embellishment. You started
Yes,
with the embellishment.
yes, and of course with
Yeah.
Madras Bazaar, so many resin flat bags. So that helped me more, and more designs I have inspired from that also.
Okay. So Shromitya, she is asking about spherical objects. So see, Shromitya, it's like 3D. I think you're asking about 3D molds, not the 2D ones. 3D ones, one side at least has to be flat. So you lay that flat and then you pour mold, silicone mold on it, liquid. So you will get that shape. But depends upon the size and the design what you're going to pour. I think there is a video done by Varnam. She's done a 3D mold. She
Yes.
had made a chess coin mold.
The chest coin,
That
yes.
yeah, that video is actually available on our YouTube also. You can see that. So the one surface has to be flat to pour the mold. Yeah. So I think yes, we answered her question. So anyone else? How to begin with Monica? See, that thought, as Priya told, you can start with the small charms or pieces what you have at your home.
But definitely try
You,
with one or two pieces initially. Don't do like me. I
yeah,
pour the
you made a very huge mold in beginning with lot
no.
of charms.
That time you helped me sending the silicone also when I'm out of stock. So you say
Benefits,
that time.
benefits of staying in the same area. You can
Yes.
order anytime through me. Yeah,
Yes.
done.
So
So I think guys, they don't have any more questions. Hello, iCreations.
Monica, you
So
can
I
buy
think
from Madras Bazaar. It's totally order free. She has a wonderful
silicone.
silicone, like it's seriously easy and bubble free too.
Yeah, guys, see, at present, our 1 kg silicone is out of stock. Okay, so you can you can message me for 1 kg packs, and we have started, planning to give it in a bigger packs also. If you guys are looking for 5 kg pack, you can inbox me. I will try to give you a good price also on it. So inbox me for the larger quantities. Yeah,
And
right
Neha,
now
you
we
can
have
find
three
me
size
like,
packages. Yeah, Priya?
no, she's asking my page here. So you can find me in Rinis.Priya. Neha.
Yeah, it's Reni's. You just search her name. I have actually shared in my post already. You can find her profile, Reni's.
Okay, Manisha, you can shoot up few questions to Dharni also. Let her also comment.
Okay, I will try taking her in. Okay. Okay, thanks,
Okay.
Priya. I will just
Thank you
now
so much,
add
Manisha.
Dharni from Krishna's Boutique. Okay,
Thank
the
you.
crafty, she says she received her silicon today. Okay, Priya. Fine. Yeah, Dani, you can ping me for 5 kg silicon. Dani, I'm adding you right
Definitely
now.
not so much actually.
I think how much ever I give you, it's going to be less for you guys.
I know. So you better stock up.
Okay, fine. Fine, Priya. Thank you so much to come live with us. Okay, now I will take Dharni live. Thank
Sure, sure.
you.
Bye. Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys. So now I will take Dharni Krishna's boutique with me. Dharni, are you there? Dharni, I've sent you request to join. Hi,
Hi.
Dharni. So, guys, she is Dharni from Krishna's boutique.
Hi,
So,
everyone.
even so, she's also launched the molds last night. So, I had tagged her profile if you guys had seen. So, Dharni, tell me, Dharni, how did you start making this molds? How did your interest come into it?
See, I've been making shaker charms for past 1.5 years or so. So
Yeah, you are actually, I call it you as a Shaker Rani because I have seen you making so many Shaker charms. I
exactly.
think you're the only one who has made each and every shape, I think,
Yes.
in Shakers.
So I'm so crazy about those. So every time I see these international artists post, all those molds,
Yeah,
so it's so, what you say, they're all
tempting.
very tempting. And when I inquire the price, they are so expensive. Can't even buy
Correct.
it. Plus, shipping is too much, no? So
It's
I was
yes.
doing research for past so many months with Priya to do molds for on our own for these shaker charms. So at last,
Yeah.
thanks to you for bringing the silicon, we are able to make all those molds.
Thanks for thanks to you guys to keep on pressurizing me to get something new, and I
Exactly.
know you keep asking me always for the shaker molds. Like, I try to bring most of the shaker molds for you, main, because you're the
Exactly.
one who always keeps asking me for the shaker molds.
I
And I
still
think you
got
have
them,
all
but I
the
don't know why.
designs,
I'm so
all
crazy
the
about
designs in shaker.
it.
Yeah, so guys, I think if you have seen her page, she has very beautiful shaker charms collection, and she even does customization. Now she started making shaker molds. So if you guys want to, get something done, you can even inbox her. You do customization now? Are you planning to do
Um,
customization?
yes, surely in the future. But at present, we are just launching, no? So maybe.
So share your designs, what you have launched now, Dharni.
Sure, sure, sure. I'll do that.
Yeah,
See, this
Mickey
is
Mouse. This
very
is so
classic.
cute. Yeah,
With all
I
those
like the color,
princess,
turquoise color.
those beautiful
What is
ones.
the depth of this, Dharni?
1 centimeter.
Okay, nice. Good enough for shaker.
Yeah. The width is almost
Okay.
5 centimeter.
Yeah.
This one. Then we have this
Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
So, my kids are here with me. You
Actually,
can see a
lockdown
lot of
time.
noise. Yeah. This lockdown, since schools are not working, I have to bring my kids with me.
So I'll also show you the finish piece for this.
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
See the finish piece.
So, this is me, Mickey Mouse. One is
Yes.
Kitty. What is the other mole?
The butterfly one.
Butterfly.
Uh, okay.
Very nice. Yeah, beautiful it is.
This Pokeball. This was my
Pokemon.
son's
This is something, new.
idea.
I think no one would have seen.
Yeah, my son's idea actually.
Oh, he's
This-
a Pokemon fan.
yeah, this is a finished piece.
Very nice. It's a dry shaker.
Yes, this is a dry shaker.
Okay.
And this is,
So,
of course, our very own flowy one.
so you can actually convert this into keychains, pendants,
Most of it,
magnets.
the ball mold, and the finished piece.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Very cute. So
And
guys,
hello,
she is
you haven't made
actually
any.
selling these also. If you guys like any of these designs, you can contact her.
Hi, Surya.
Hello, Surya. So guys, you have any questions, to be asked to Dharni regarding mold making and anything? We just had asked some questions to Priya. Okay, nooks and shells, how does it work?
What?
How does it works? See, it's just that you pour resin in it and you get the shaker mold. And further, how to make these charms. Actually, Dani does takes classes for it, workshop. You can contact her if you want to learn about this shaker charms making. She takes
I'm
workshops,
also planning a
and she is
PDF
even
tutorial
planning.
soon.
Yeah, planning to do tutorials, right? Paid tutorials on
Yeah,
this.
exactly. PDF
Okay,
one.
so Ethereal Dainty, she wants that Mickey mold. You can always contact Dharni, Krishna's boutique for the mold. She has started selling that. How to cover it. Monica, that's what I was saying, that she takes workshops for it. So, if you want to learn that, you can contact her, or else, you can go through a lot of videos in YouTube. Everyone, these guys have done a lot of trials, errors, they practiced a lot, and then they've come at this level. So they won't be doing free tutorial. I know that. So you can
Sure.
now actually, yes, always connect with them for paid tutorial, for paid classes. Do you even post videos of process of shakers? MB Creations, that's what I was telling now. They don't post full tutorial on how to make, but just a small tutorial video. She has posted some videos on how to pour it and how the final looks.
Yeah, just 2, 3 days back.
Yeah. You had shared about which one? Mickey, yes. I
One,
also
yeah,
reshared it actually in my
yeah.
profile, yes. You
The
guys can
same
see
one.
there.
The same
Yeah,
one.
correct. This Mickey, yes. So guys, if you are interested in buying these molds, you can contact her. What are you planning for your next collection, Darni?
We are just still working on it, but lots of new design. My mainly will be shaker charms, shaker molds only. I'm also planning for normal ones too. So
Okay.
maybe a few days to in a week's time,
Guys,
maybe
you
we'll
can
do.
suggest, you can always pour in your suggestions what
Yeah,
kind of
suggestions
molds you
are
are
always
looking for.
welcome. What type of molds you want, what shapes you're interested in. So you can always say, do DMS.
Yeah. You can DM
Just
them. And
learn
what
some
are your
tutorial design.
price range, Darni, for these molds?
Since at present my I'm doing only the shaker charms, it will be around about 300 only, 300 to 400 range. But today and tomorrow we are, as Priya said, we are having an introductory offer. So
Yeah,
do
Priya said
DMS
that.
for the offer price. We'll
Guys,
let
don't
you
miss this offer. You will never get this shaker molds at such a cheap price, even not in Madras Bazaar. I am saying you frankly. So you can DM them for molds what they've launched, and I find it's very economical price what they're giving right now.
know.
Lokeshwari. See, Drizzy molds. Okay, I think I did get 2, 3 questions about how to make Drizzy molds. See, Drizzy molds are actually made through crystals. The crystals are made by these artists. Okay, it's man-made crystals, so they make mold out of it. And for that, there is another artist, Surya. Gold Line Art, I think, is her page.
Maybe
I
you can do a
will
live
try
with it.
taking her I
Mm.
will try taking her once in a live and we can discuss there with her. These guys are specialized now. They are into Dharni does shaker molds. She is planning to do more of shaker molds. And you
Yeah,
saw Priya, she's doing more of 2D molds. Yeah, you will not get the depth, get the shaker mold in this depth made by, yeah, true. Priya says that, this depth you won't get in market anywhere. The depth you're giving. It's easy to work with shakers then.
exactly.
Yeah, along with the charms. Priya, Priya,
Thanks,
I
Priya.
wish Instagram had a facility of adding 3
Three of
people
us.
live together.
Yeah. Maybe they'll infuse me
Yeah.
or we should do all four of us, four, five of us, we can do. Many of us. All you.
Yeah, but at present there is only two people option in
Exactly.
Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, I think I had one question yesterday from a artist asking, how
Yeah.
do you make your recipes dust free?
Dust free. Cover it up. As soon as you pour
Yeah.
it, just cover it up. It
Cover
will
it up. Cover it up. If it's a small pieces, you can just put a box or a lid, plastic box or a lid on it.
all my
Always cover your resin pieces. Yes. So
yeah, all my
the dust
pieces I
doesn't
work only in my balcony, which is an open space. But covering it up makes it dust free.
dust free. So the only solution to have your resin pieces dust free is covering it up. That's the only solution. Guys, any more questions or else I am planning to stop the live. If you
Okay.
guys have any more questions, do let me know. You can ask here or else you can anyways anytime DM me or DM Darni, Priya. Any questions you have to ask them, you can always ask them also. The mold, see, they have 2 days special offer going on for molds. You guys can place order. Okay, and they are planning to launch the second, I think soon.
Very soon.
Priya was saying
Very
next
soon.
week. Priya was saying next week. I don't know about you. So we are
Yeah,
looking forward for your
same.
new
Not
collection.
similarly only. Almost.
So almost it's ready.
Almost. Yes.
Oh, so that means the silicon pouring is started.
Not yet. Maybe we'll do it in 2 or 3 days.
You have any problem with silicon? Are you facing any
Nothing.
problem?
Nothing. It's absolutely
No.
bubble free. It cures maximum half an hour. So and it's super glossy actually. But it doesn't matter with the silicon. It matters with the surface you pour.
Surface what you're pouring on. Correct.
Exactly. So
Yeah. If
we
it's a
have
glossy surface, you get
absolutely no
glossy mold.
problem with the silicon.
Guys, I'll give you a tip. If you have a piece what you're planning to pour a mold on it, if it's a matte, what you can do is put a gloss varnish on it and then
Yes.
you can pour it. Or else simple is you can apply a clear nail polish on it and then you pour a silicone in it. So you get a shiny glossy surface. Because many people, they don't have glossy surface.
Hmm.
So this is a simple tip. You guys can use this and you can make any matte into a shiny. So I think that's it. I think there is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
more question.
Diya mold.
Have a Dia mold. Sakshi, you can inbox me for that. I think you're asking about the lotus mold. Lotus mold is going to be restocked in Madras Bazaar soon. That has been I think the number one selling mold at present in Madras Bazaar also. We have sold more than 50 pieces already.
Oh my God.
And still, there is a huge demand for it. Lotus mold. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you for joining live with us. Thank you, Darni.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you.
So we will soon see you guys live again with your new collection.
Sure, sure, definitely. Thank you,
Okay.
Manisha.
Thank you so much, Darni. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, okay, any questions you have, you want to ask me, you can just shoot your questions now, or else I'll just end this live. Yeah, Sakshi, you have any question? Crystal mold type, I am not making any crystal mold type diyas right now. I will give you a suggestion. It's very easy. You can make yourself. You take a round base. You can stick crystal pencils through glue gun, okay, so on the round, and then you just pour a silicone on it and you demold it. You get your crystal tea light holder. It's very simple. It's very cost effective if you guys make it yourself. I do have materials for that. You can just buy and make your own mold. A simple suggestion is mine. Anything else, guys? I think that's it. No more questions then. Thank you for joining live with me. And this was my first live. If any blunders, please excuse me. Can you suggest me how to remove bubbles without heat torch? In resin, you're asking, Sakshi? If it's in resin without heat torch, see, first is how you mix it. After mixing the resin, leave it for some time so bubble sets out. Then you don't have to use heat torch. See, Priya is saying you can use toothpick. You can use toothpick, you can use straw to blow the bubbles out. If you don't have a lot of bubbles, you can do that. I hope, Sakshi, your doubt is clear now. That's it. I don't see any more questions here. Either everyone is sleeping post lunch or everyone is busy. Thank you, guys. I'll just take a leave now. Okay, Sakshi. Thank you. Okay, guys. Thank you. And I hope you are seeing our new molds, whatever we have launched. And yeah, our mold sells very fast. What you can do is, if you guys are missing out Midras Bazaar collection, WhatsApp me. I will add you guys to the broadcast. Okay, so the number is 7010323040. That's the WhatsApp number. I will add you to the broadcast so you get updates. First updates are always shared on broadcast. So right now I have 700 plus people on broadcast. So the mold sells out very fast. Yeah. Simran, yes, we are delivering silicone molds. That's why, whenever we launch it, it goes out of stock immediately. You want to see my store, Priya? Okay, I will do a separate video for that. I will try to show you guys the, it's not a proper store yet. I've just moved out to office space. This long I was working from my home. Now we have just rented out a space for a store. So just still setting up over here. Priya, why don't you come once and share a live video of Midras Bazaar? I think that will do good. Yes, Imran, you can inbox me for molds. Okay. If you want something which is not available, can you get irregular crystals? Lokeshwari, what kind of irregular crystals are you asking, darling? We have small chips. We have pencils. Pencils are irregular ones. And I don't know what other kind of crystals you're asking. We have glass crystals also. We have real gemstone crystals. You can inbox me or WhatsApp me, Lokeshwari. I'll try to send you the links what you're looking for. Pointed crystal with different sizes. Yes, that is what crystal pencils are. I think you haven't seen. I had even shared a video of it. You can find it in my profile. Priya, definitely. Next more launch will be from Midras. You're always welcome, guys. You can come here. You can do your live video from Midras Bazaar. You're always welcome. Lokeshwari, send me a message. I'll send you the link for the pointed crystals. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. It was nice, coming first time live with you all. And do, excuse if I made any mistakes and my kids screaming at background. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.